Hey, what's going on? This is Super Simple Fixes. Today we're going to be looking at how to clean the filter on your dishwasher. So this one, we have a 2022 KitchenAid, I believe, 2022. I will show you how to clean out the filter, but I'm also going to show you how to figure out what year you have. I'm going to open up the dishwasher. Then you'll see right there on the corner that I have a label that tells me what model and serial number it is, and then you can type that into your favorite search engine, figure out exactly what year you are dealing with. And how we're gonna get to the actual filter is we're gonna pull out the bottom portion here, and then you're gonna see this little triangular piece right down there. And it's clipped in. I'm just going to pull it up and show you what it looks like. Take it outside, run it through the hose, bring it back in here. This basically catches your big stuff and keeps your dishwasher running pretty smoothly. We don't use it that much, so we don't have to clean it all the time. If you guys are using it all the time, I would clean it out like maybe, once every 2 weeks. But that's pretty much it. This is a really simple fix. All right? Have any questions or comments? Send it on down below. Talk to you later.